Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to sign up for Lyft driver. That is, creating a Lyft driver account. So, in order to do this, go to Play Store or App Store and search for Lyft driver. Now, after you search for Lyft driver, you'll have to simply install the Lyft driver application and click on the open button. Now, when you click on the open button, you will see the sign up page where you'll have to simply enter your mobile number or email and click on the sign up button and create your account. After this, you'll have to create a password, then hit enter and you'll be taken to this page. Here, you'll have to choose why do you want to drive with Lyft. Choose your reason, then choose how many hours are you looking to drive each week. After this, you'll have to simply scroll down and choose whether you're already a driver or not. After this, click on the save icon. Now, when you click on save, you'll have to choose whether you have a car or you need to rent a car or see your special weekly rate to rent your car. Now, you can choose any one of these options, that is use my car or rent a car. After selecting your preference, you'll be taken over to this page where you'll have to first of all add your social security number, then click on next. After this, you'll have to upload your driver's license. Then click on next. After this, you'll have to give Lyft a background consent check. Then click on next and you'll be taken to this page where you can learn why it's important to provide a respectful car environment. You can click on next or skip for now. Now, after you do this, you can see you are on your Lyft's dashboard. Here, you will see the to-do list. So, in order to complete your sign up and get the driver's account, this is the to-do list. Here, you'll have to give your car details, social security number, driver's license, background check consent, profile photo, and community safety education. After this, you would have successfully signed up and created an account on Lyft driver app. So that's how you sign up for Lyft driver. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.